Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can create and sort pie charts in Google Sheets. A pie chart is a very useful way of depicting the comparison between items when the number of items is low, preferably less than 10, otherwise it will look cluttered and messy. In Google Sheets, creating a pie chart is pretty straightforward. Here we have the monthly expense data of a person. Select the data and go to Insert, then Chart option and select the pie chart. You can see the pie chart is not sorted because the size of pieces in the chart is proportional to the values in the column. To sort your pie charts, you must sort your column. You can sort the data in same sheet. We are going to use the sortAnd function. Write is equals to sortAnd, then select the range. The next parameter is number of rows to be returned. So write 7, 0, then select the column by which you want to sort your data. And at last, false, because we want our data to be sorted in descending order. Once your data is sorted, select the sorted data, and now if you go to Insert, then Chart, and add a pie chart, it will be sorted. You can customize the chart from this Customize section. You can edit chart styles where you can change the background color and font. You can also make the donut chart from here. Under the pie chart, set the donut hole value to 50%. From the pie slice option, you can change the color of each slice. You can do a lot more to customize your charts. Just explore the customization options and choose what works best for you. So that's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching.